Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Supertramp, and we're going to react to the song Just Another Nervous Wreck. This is the first time listening to this song, requested by Jeffrey. Let's get started with it.
I'm feeling so alone now. They cut the telephone out. Yeah, my life is just a mess. I threw it all away now. I could have made a fortune. I lost the craving for success. And as the acrobats they tumble, and so the coin begins to crumble, while in the mirror she admires a brand new dress. Live on the second floor now. They're trying to bust the door down. Soon I'll have a new address. So much for liberation. They'll have a celebration. Yeah, I've been under too much stress. And as the clouds begin to rumble, so the judgment makes its fumble, and the sun upon the high wall is getting less. Don't give a damn why you can't care. Shoot 'em up, they'll run another child. Kudos loud, now heroes talk out later. Lose your data, they'll recover when they discover everyone's a nervous wreck now. I used to think she was so nimble, I would have bought her as a symbol. Now I can't afford to pin design her chest. I don't give a damn why you can't care. Shoot 'em up, they'll run another child. Kudos loud, they'll heroes, soldiers, sailors, lose your data. They'll recover when they discover everyone's a nervous wreck now. Life's just a bummer, they got your number. We'll give as good as we get now. Rise from the gutter, stick with each other. We'll drive 'em over the edge now. They're gonna bleed, that's what they need. We'll get together and blow their cover. We're ready, yeah, we're ready. I'm ready, yeah. We're ready, ready. I'm ready, yeah. Beat 'em up, shoot 'em up, shoot 'em up. Eat us, the losers, the beggars, and the choosers. They're gonna rise, they're gonna fight. We'll shake 'em out and drop them fears. You will beat 'em, we'll cheat 'em, we'll leave 'em, we'll beat 'em, we'll get 'em, we'll hit 'em, drop 'em, walk
I like the use of the organ, Hammond organ, as it's mentioned over here. The entire time duration it was played all the time, and then other things come and go. Backup singers also added an element to the song. As for the vocals, for the vocalist. He sang and he sounded like someone who would be in a position like what is mentioned. I really can't think of what exactly is going wrong with him. Why is he so pissed off? What is happening? Why is his house going to be taken away? And why is his telephone line already disconnected and everything? What the best case I can take is, because there was one line, I thought she was an imble, but now things have gone wrong. I think it's a divorce that is getting settled in a way where he's going to end up bankrupt or something like that. There's something has to do with bankruptcy. That's what I think over here now. And he's cursing a lot of they. I don't know who is they. Who is this they? Who are those people?
Yeah, he's calling everybody. They are calling everyone a nervous wreck. Everyone's in the same position. Everyone has to run for cover.
Yeah.
It's a state of panic, state of chaos probably. And everyone is a nervous wreck, and so is he.
Yeah.
Apparently. Just
Yeah.
another nervous wreck, as the
Yeah.
title of the song goes. Beautifully sung, good music too. Yeah, it sounded personal. It sounded as if it was part of it. It's his story or one
Yeah.
part of his life, a phase that's unfolding before our very eyes. But yeah, without the context,
I
exact
don't know
context,
what is
exact
happening.
situation, exact time period, and being from the same country or location is difficult to connect with all those lines. But it was good to listen to. It was really good to listen to. And as Kirti said, Hammond organ,
I like the
definitely
organ.
the star of the show along with the vocals. Very well done by Supertramp. That's it.
Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Adrian Belew. And we're going to react to the song Oh Daddy. This is the first
Oh,
time.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Is it going to be something like Cats in the Cradle? I would love that. Oh, Daddy.
Let's get started with it.
Oh, Daddy, when you gonna write hey. Oh, Daddy, when you gonna get it real big?
Well, now that's a tall request for such a small little girl.
this was amusing, yet very, very relevant. Every child
Fascinating.
and every father will connect with this song. You know, especially if they are in similar positions, as the case was here. Even though it sounded nothing like it, I couldn't help but think about Paradise by the Dashboard Light. Incidentally, Paradise was a word in this song. I couldn't help but think of that one. The interplay is so fine there. Whenever it comes to songs like these, I can't help but think about that song. Paradise by the Dashboard Light by Meatloaf. And Linda something, right? The singer, female
I
singer.
forget the name. Some
Wow, that was beautiful. That was beautiful.
Elaine something, I think.
Yeah, here it was mainly Adrian Belew, I think,
Yeah.
doing both the sides, but a lot of kids.
I like the guitar work in this
With big
one.
expectations.
You know, there were gaps for guitar playing, and then there were vocals, and then there were gaps, spaces for guitar playing, and I think the guitar is essentially played by Adrian Belew.
Yeah, and definitely kids do ask this question. You know, whether it's my
It's a
kids,
conversation of every family.
whether
Sometime
me
or
as
the
a
other.
kid looking back, yes, we do have these questions in our mind, and sometimes we also ask them directly to our parents.
Yeah.
When are you going to do this?
Whether
When are you going
it's
to do
for
that? When are you going to make
sports celebrities or
Yeah.
you know into acting, music, anything. Children do want to know that when are you going to get that award or when are you going to get the
Yeah.
trophy? Are you also going to get there? Are you participating or something like that? Every kid thinks their father is the ultimate hero and they want to see them in the best places. That is the best part about children, that they are unbiased and they don't judge people. But here there were certain lines I thought which were very notorious as well. I don't know, they were just put there notoriously or I'm just reading it.
this? Any of them you want to share?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's it for this one then.